What is this weird creature? Hey, what is that? He is. Listen, I can hear some shit. Arey. So we're here, guys.
I'm so excited. I've managed to convince her to come to this park, and like I'm really excited because I love bird watching.
Someone save me. I was just going where you're going.
You can't see the fish. See babies fishing. You can see. So.
Okay, so here we are. What the is wrong with this squirrel?
Hi, cutie squirrel. Hi, squirrel.
What is that? Crocodile ahead. Oh, look at this cute butterfly.
Imagine if we're walking, there's just a crocodile in front of us.
I would run. What is this guy? This weird creature? What?
Yeah, it's a nut.
A nut. I don't know, alien ball or
It's literally a
something.
nut.
I feel so adventurous today.
This way is literally so beautiful. It's like, I don't know, out of a movie.
I swear.
It just like settled across the road and then into the like forest. It was so beautiful.
I was there. Should we go this way?
If we go this
Or
way, then
that
it's
way?
almost over.
Okay, fine. We'll take this thing. But you have to protect me.
Oh my god.
It's okay. I feel adventurous today. And Hriday will protect me.
I will run as fast as I can.
Hey, what is that? Acha, it's just a rope.
You remember I ran inside and when I saw it here.
Yeah, of course I remember. They left me here.
Even if I see like a chameleon or something, it's gonna be so like amazing.
It's like crazy. It's like a horror movie scene. Beautiful.
Look up also, okay? Because these snakes aren't either underground.
Why should I look for them?
No, don't look for them. I'm saying like in case there's something that hangs from
Okay,
trees
let's
there.
be silent. So we can hear the rustles. You can't say. You got it all inside of you. Oh, he good. Did you see that? Listen. I can hear some shit, bro.
That's cricket flag.
Oh. Now this is a nice dense forest.
This is where out of the four I've seen the biggest, fattest snake.
Arey. So there's no sun here. I can't stay here. And you've seen all this like a million times, so it's okay for you. But it was a really cool day and I would do this again. Now this is the best lane. Okay, so I think it's almost ending now. Oh look, this is a small.
The cool thing about these is that they're found only in one tree species in the whole world, the red silk cotton tree. So that's why they call the red silk cotton bug, and they're only found on red silk cotton trees. Come in.
3 days later.
Arey yaar. Wait, it's here. Big chameleon. The colorful one.
What are you saying?
I saw from over here, but there's no way you can't see it because it literally went here. It was sitting here. It was so beautiful.
Yeah.
You saw it right now. That's all.
If you just wait here 10 seconds, I think it'll come.
2,000 years later.
Do something, yeah. Cammy! So that's all for today, and I think the trail is over.
It's almost over, and I really liked it, to be honest. Like, it was fun, you know.
And
It was
you know
nice
what?
nature walk.
I would come here again.
We didn't see any snakes or anything scary. We didn't even see any lizard. We just saw a few birds. So I think it was nice today.
I loved it. If you like today's adventure, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to me, share it with your friends. Do not forget to hit that like button.
I hope I'm back here with her for another video.
Yes, he will be. And we're out.